It's dark. Where are you guys going?
Strawberry picking.
Strawberry picking?
It's
Don't.
So
Doon pala yung strawberry farm.
Marami dyan. Maraming malapit.
Ang daming tao rito ah.
the demons have feet. Looks like a Labubu shape. Look, it's
Robin
kinda
Tide
like
Farms.
claws.
Robin Tide.
Uh-oh. That's so big scary. Remember scary me?
Monday close naman oh.
Yee!
Ayun, yung pagpapakahapon.
Yee!
Ano ba ngayon? Diyos ko.
Ow, la cuckoo. La cuckoo! La cuckoo. Hey! Everybody, I got my new Labubu.
Labubu. Napalo.
Hey! I got my new Labubu.
Where?
Labubu. Cuckoo. Hey,
Christine
you made me
got
say
this-
Labubu.
Ay, she got her Labubu. Her first Labubu. And Christoph John has two.
It's pink, guys.
This
It's
is
pink,
Christoph
guys.
John's Labubu.
And we can stick it together.
No.
Like this, everyone. Check it out.
Okay. Okay, let's go first. Oh. Wala nang
Check
parking.
it out. Look. This
Okay.
is how I do it. Boom.
Okay, anak. Later. You can vlog your Labubu next time. Ay, nakapila na si Daddy.
Daddy.
Excited yung dalawang bata mag-pick. Did you found some? Did you get there? Oh, there. Oh, there's so many there. See it? Okay.
This one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Daddy, it doesn't need to be.
First pick.
Yay!
Only 4? No, 5. Maybe adding that lots.
Let me check on
So
them.
far. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Masarap na mag-bake. Oh,
Liliit lang pala dito.
pero matamis siya.
Ah,
It's a people here.
I'm looking for some small and big.
It's good. It's not that hot. What? What, Lavi? You want to have more strawberries?
I
Then you have
found
to
my
pick.
Stop.
Like this. There's
Wow.
nothing in there. Oh, Daddy got lots. Go get some. Daddy put so many. Ay, sauce. Hindi na magpipik. Nagatil ka no, prickly. Burburas kami ti strawberry toy Canada.
I have to pick, Kristoff. I'm picking. Yay.
Sige na, alis na tayo. Mainit na.
I have to walk. I have to walk. Out there has a walk. Out there has a walk. Yeah.
Naka-short ka lang.
Are you okay?
Oh, ate, you want?
Yay! Give me some, Daddy.
Give me some
I
lang.
have no a lot.
Not a lot. Tayo pala magpipik eh. Hindi pa sila. I thought you want to pick. Huh?
Kristoff, we have to pick. I found a strawberry.
Let's go.
Kristoff, why are
Kaya kaya naman mga nito sulit ate ako.
them? Stop eating them.
It's okay. Then we're gonna get more.
A big one, a red one. Okay? I'm getting a big one. Too. Ate, is it the back we want?
No, anak.
This the back sorry, Matty. Oh yeah, no. Because it's so far. I have to put my slide. You mean it's too late now?
Sisinurod. Surutan tayo ni Amara. Wow, you got plenty na. You have to full. Ni?
Stop!
Kaan.
Why?
Kaan nga kaan.
I'm eating them.
Kaan nga kaan.
I delayed stuff. Stop.
Sobra aglaglag at. Oh wow, Christina, you got plenty na. What about you, Krista?
Thank you. This is here. Daddy,
I'll go with you then.
Okay.
Oh shoot. Let's go na? Pagod na. Uwi na kami.